And then I think how AI helps naturally is this data is very, very rich, and it can help you hone in on all the areas maybe you couldn't see without it. Again, some of those key things that are driving costs up today: accidents. Accidents are not only costing more to get repaired, but they're taking a long time, just killing productivity. And we can't get vehicles as readily as we used to. So when a vehicle gets crashed or damaged, we can't just flip the switch and get a new one anymore. So it's about reducing accidents, increasing your preventative maintenance and on-time maintenance, reducing your carbon footprint through fuel reduction initiatives that are going to drive the kind of efficiencies that'll get your partners on board and wanting to help you on those key performance indicators that you create as a team. Again, I'm going to say so many times that breaking down that silo, or many silos maybe in your organizations, that are preventing you from achieving your KPIs and continuing to drive down cost and drive up efficiency. One is with operations.